What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. So if you watch one of my other videos, I got a performance spoiler OEM style from Amazon and a OEM Model 3 performance spoiler from someone that was actually selling their OEM performance spoiler. And I compared the both of them. So check out that video if you want to see the differences, or if you're looking for a cheaper alternative to the OEM spoiler, which can go for anywhere from $260 to $300+. So I'll paste a link to that video so you can check it out. So in this video, I've actually decided that I'm going to install the performance OEM spoiler. So we're actually going to go meet up Jesse at Premium Auto Connection, who hooked me up on everything I've done to the exterior of my car so far, including paint protection, chrome delete, paint correction, and ceramic coating. He's going to hook it up and install it for us and put a ceramic coating on it as well. Because if you're adding a body part to your car, especially a spoiler, you also got to get it ceramic coated so that it's protected, it keeps its shine, and it's protected from the elements, and it also washes a lot more easier like the rest of your car. Let's get on our way and let's get in the video. My car is super dirty right now. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the new spoiler. It is the OEM performance one, and I did spend about $240 on it, but I'm liking the look on it. I love the satin look. It's really matching the black and red look that I have right now with the wheels and everything. But yeah, my car is super dirty right now. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Hit that like if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.